Libya floods wipe out quarter of city, 10,000 feared missing. Reuters.com. How to spot green comet Nishimura in the skies this week. New Scientist. Life After Rodgers. New York Jets prepare for changes following Aaron Rodgers' injury. USA Today. Apple iPhone 15 event will tout enhanced camera, titanium finish. BloombergWhy Florida is seeing the highest proportion of counties with moderate COVID hospitalization rates. ABC News. Putin. Sending Soviet tanks into Hungary and Czechoslovakia was a mistake. Reuters.com. GOP lawmaker faces blowback from Republicans over anti-impeachment stance. CNN. The Google Pixel Watch's September 2023 update is here. Android police. Beyond Earth. Webb Space Telescope detects key molecules on Exoplanet K2-18b. SciTechDailyBrian Daboll. Difficult discussions may be needed after being humiliated by Cowboys. NBC SportsStock futures slide as oil prices rise. Oracle shares drop 10%. Live updates. CNBC. Assassin's Creed Mirage feels like a throwback and digression to 2007 Polygon. Escaped prisoner Danelo Cavalcante is now armed. Residents told to stay inside. USA Today. Smurfit Kappa. WestRock agree merger to create $20 BLN packaging giant. Reuters.com. Apple Store goes down ahead of iPhone 15 event later today. Mac rumors. Tuesday morning Hurricane Lee forecast for Maine. WGME. Biden admin takes step advancing deal to free Americans held in Iran by issuing waiver for transfer of restricted Iranian funds to Qatar. CNN.